Consuming honey and cinnamon on a regular daily basis can help you and boost your immune system and also prevent you from viruses and bacteria. These two ingredients are rich in antioxidants and also antibacterial properties. So today we are not going to consume it. We are going to see what it can do for your skin. My name is Sharifa. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to like this video and leave a comment under the comment section down below. You're welcome. Our first ingredient, we are going to be using cinnamon. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties and astringent properties which may help to shrink pores, which can also make your skin appear smoother and even more even. So it is going to be a great component for our face pack. Ingredient, we are going to be using honey. Honey is a solution that is made from sugar, mostly glucose and fructose. This sugar contains proteins, amino acid, vitamins, minerals and enzymes. So we are going to use it as our moisturizer to help us heal acne during the process. 1 tablespoon of our cinnamon powder. Then add in 1 teaspoon of your raw honey. Then start mixing the ingredients very well until you make a smooth, clear paste. Cinnamon can also be highly irritating to the skin. For some reasons, it is always important to use a test punch on your hand before applying the honey and cinnamon face pack to your entire face. Even sometimes people have allergic reactions to honey like itching, swelling, so always take precautions when it comes to treating acne. The goals are to keep your skin clean, moisturized, and free from pore clogging oils and bacteria. Our 2 ingredients. Now the next step is we are going to apply it onto our skin, and please always first make sure that your skin is clean or you've cleansed it. So let's do the application process. I'm going to be using my fingers and I'm going to be gentle with my skin. Then scrub in a circular motion. Do this for 40 minutes. Then you leave it for 1 hour. Then after, you wash it off with warm water, and after, you again wash it with cold water to close the pores. You can do this 2 times in a week. For watching. For those who are new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe. Until next time in my next video, don't forget to hit the bell for my updates. Bye bye.